Computer Networking, full course for ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Welcome back to AS7. Today you're going to learn everything about computer networking, the backbone of the internet, ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and all modern communication. From beginner to expert, this is your complete networking crash course. Part 1. What is networking? Let's start with the basics. Networking means connecting computers or devices to exchange data. Example, when your phone connects to Wi-Fi, it joins a network. These networks can be small, like at home, or massive, like the internet. Part 2. Types of networks. LAN, local area network, used in homes and small offices. WAN, wide area network, like the internet. MAN, metropolitan area network, used in a city or university. Other types include PAN, personal area network, and CAN, campus area network. Part 3. Network devices. These devices build and manage networks. Router connects different networks, like your home to the internet. Switch connects multiple devices in a LAN hub. Basic device that broadcasts data to all ports. Bridge connects two networks. Access point provides Wi-Fi. Modem converts digital to analog and vice versa. Part 4. IP address and MAC address. IP address, logical address assigned to a device, e.g. 192.168.1.1. MAC address, physical address unique to every device's network card. IP changes over networks, MAC doesn't. Part 5. IPv4 versus IPv6. IPv4 has 32-bit addresses. Example, 192.168.0.1. IPv6 has 128-bit addresses. Example, 2001 0DB8 85A3 8A2E 03707334. IPv6 solves the problem of IP exhaustion. Part 6. Ports and protocols. Ports are logical communication endpoints. Port 80, HTTP port 443, HTTPS port 21, FTP port 22, SSH port 53. DNS protocols define how data is transferred. Examples, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SSH, Telnet, DNS, DHCP. Part 7. OSI model. 7 layers. The OSI model explains how data travels in 7 layers. Physical layer, cables, switches. Data link layer, MAC addresses, switches. Network layer, IP, routers. Transport layer, TCP, UDP, port numbers. Session layer, manages sessions. Presentation layer, encryption, data formatting. Application layer, interfaces like browsers and email. Part 8. TCP/IP model. 4 layers. TCP/IP is the practical model used today. Application Transport Internet Network Access. It combines OSI layers for real-world networking. Part 9. TCP versus UDP. TCP, reliable, connection-based, used in HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, UDP. Faster, connectionless, used in video streaming, DNS. Part 10. Subnetting. Subnetting divides a network into smaller parts to increase security and efficiency. Example, 192.168.1024 means 256 addresses. Subnet mask helps determine which part is the network and which is the host. Part 11. Networking tools for hackers. Essential tools for cybersecurity and hacking. Nmap, scan ports and hosts. Wireshark, packet sniffer. Netcat, network utility tracer route. Track route to a destination ping. Test connectivity. NSLookup, dig. DNS tools. IPconfig, ifconfig, IP settings. Part 12. Common network attacks. Hackers target networks using DDoS, overloading a server, MITM, man in the middle, intercepting communication, ARP spoofing, faking MAC addresses, DNS poisoning, redirecting traffic sniffing, capturing data packets. Learning networking helps you prevent and detect these. Part 13. DHCP, DNS, NAT, and VPN. DHCP automatically assigns IPs. DNS converts domain names to IPs. DAT lets multiple devices share one public IP. VPN creates a secure tunnel over the internet. Part 14. Wireless networking and security. Wireless networks use Wi-Fi standards like 802.11a BGNNAC. secured by WPA2, WPA3, etc. Hackers can exploit weak encryption. Learn tools like AirCrackNG, Wi-Fi, Reaver. Part 15. Network layers in real life. When you visit a website, application, you type the URL. Transport, TCP port 80 network, IP routes the packet data link and physical, sends it over cable or Wi-Fi understanding. This flow is key to ethical hacking. Part 16. Certifications and practice platforms. Want to master networking? Study for CompTIA Network Plus, CEH, or Cisco CCNA. Practice live labs on. Try Hack Me Hack the Box Port Swigger Web Labs. That was a full guide to computer networking for cybersecurity. Subscribe to AS7 for more content on ethical hacking, penetration testing, and network security. Comment what topic you want next: OSI model, Nmap scan, or subnetting lab. See you in the next video.